FIBA Women's Asia Cup along with Chairman Pato. So, kamusta ang coordination ninyo with the organizers, local government, and even yung venue itself, yung SMC side, nakakabukas to make sure nga na, of course, all things are set para dito sa hosting natin ng FIBA World Asia Cup.
Yes, thank you for that question. No? It's been very good. No? During that press conference, we had representatives from the local LGU, and we've been working closely with our zone director from that zone number 8, which covers Cebu and Bohol, si Popoy Navarro, who's also very much helping us out on the ground in Cebu to prepare for this. We also know that the head of our technical academy, Mr. Andrew Te, is from Cebu. So he is also taking the lead there in organizing this event. No? So marami na tayong mga preparasyon na nagagawa. And with regards to SMC Side Arena, syempre dumalo rin tayo ng opening niyan because nga dyan nakaset ang ating event, and we've been closely working with the group of SM. No? Same lang naman ang nagpapatakbo nitong SM MOA Arena and SMC Side Cebu. So we have worked well with them in the past, and we're looking forward to that next year in July.
How confident niya itong hosting ng Asia Cup will be definitely a big boost niya doon sa sports tourism initiative na sinusulong ni Chairman Pato?
That's correct. No? This is one of the primary reasons why we wanted to have the event in Cebu and not in Manila. It's really to boost not only international tourism but domestic tourism also for us.
Last question na lang. Also recently, we have the national finals ng under-16 pambansang tatluan sa SBP. Sa napanood ninyo, ang ating mga young 3x3 players they are eager nga hopefully to suit the Gilas Pilipinas jersey, lalo na na-expose sila dito sa eye-level competition. So, kumusta ang pagtanggap ninyo dito sa national finals, and of course yung reception ng bawat teams na nakilala ko nga last time doon sa Muntinlupa? Salamat po.
It's always very good, no? Yearly na natin ginagawa yung pambansang tatluhan natin, and in the past, no, if it's any indication ng talent that comes from this pool of players who compete there, marami tayong nakukuha dyan. Sa women's right now, nandyan si Goson who plays for our youth team, and sa men's may mga dati na rin players from the men's side na nasa PBA na nga ngayon na naglaro sa pambansang tatluhan. So patuloy ang programa ng SBP na yan to encourage our youth to engage in basketball.
Thank you, Dad.
Follow-up regarding Gilas